square vase bottom and top, circle vase body, dark gray, black color. It is minimalistic, elegant and noble. Fit in home with modern farmhouse, minimalist, boho or classic Scandi style. The decorative vase has minimalist and elegant shape, noble color, thickened body. Even though you do not need to put anything, it is also an artwork, a unique flower vase. The black flower vase is suitable for any flowers. Also, the vase body is thicker than ordinary vase with high-quality lead-free crystal glass, bring you infinite safety and grace. It's almost 8-inch tall with wide mouth, large vase. It can hold 10 to 15 tulips or roses in very fluffy state. It is perfect vase for centerpiece. The floral vase is excellent gift for many holidays, including Mother's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and anniversaries. It is also a great modern decor, such as table decor, bookshelf decor, dining room, office desk, bedroom, and many other places in the house.